Children, already we have learned about drugs. Drugs means medicines, that is chemically synthesized one. So these are classified into four types. Number one, based on the structure. Number two, based on pharmacological effect. Number three, based on the target system. Number four, based on the site of action. Now, today we are going to learn about the site of action only. So, the drug molecule interacts with the biomolecules such as enzymes, receptors, etc., which are referred as drug target. So, in the drug target interaction, target means the place in which the drug takes place. In this drug target interaction, two important factors is responsible. Number one is metabolism. Metabolism means breaking down of the food molecules what we are eating and converting it into energy in the presence of a catalyst enzyme. Number two, cell signaling. Signaling means any change in the environment. It is known by sending signals to various parts of the body. So these two are very much. That number one is metabolism. Number two is cell signaling. These two are essential for the normal functioning of the body. But sometimes these routine processes may be disturbed due to microorganisms, chemicals, etc. So, under these conditions, we have to take medicines for the normal functioning of the body. So, at that time only we are taking drugs. So, what is the use of the drug? The drug interact with the biomolecules such as proteins, lipids, etc. That makes us functioning of the body. For example, proteins. If you are taking proteins, which act as catalyst and are called enzymes, it has three functions. Number one, it acts as a biological catalyst. Number two, that is enzymes. Number two, it acts as a communication system, that is receptors. Number three, it carries the polar molecules across the membranes, that is called carrier proteins. So now we are going to learn how the enzymes, which act as a catalyst, used as drug targets. In all living systems, the biochemical reactions are catalyzed by enzymes. So the enzyme actions are normal functioning of the body. If the normal enzyme activity is inhibited means restricted. The cut meaning taduttal. So this is, if it is affected, it will kill the pathogens. Pathogens means the chemical enzymes, the small microorganisms. So, in the enzyme catalyst reactions, the substrate molecules bind to the active site of the enzyme through hydrogen bonding, van der Waals force, etc. For example, you see, consider this is an enzyme. This is the target. Now, this is the active site. The active site means, for example, if you are taking para-aminobenzoic acid, a sulfanilamide, it should fix in this place. Proper fixing in this place. See here, properly fixed. If it is properly fixed, it reacts and giving the product. Sulfanilamide, it gives the product. That is called enzyme functioning. When a drug molecule has a similar shape as the substrate, this is a substrate, it can bind to the enzyme and makes its activity. So this type of inhibitors and inhibit means tadukkurathu. This type of inhibitor is called commutative inhibitors. For example, antibiotic sulfanilamide. This is sulfanilamide. This is similar to para-aminobenzoic acid, which inhibits the bacterial growth. But many bacteria need this PABA, para-aminobenzoic acid, in order to produce an important coenzyme called folic acid. But when the antibiotic sulfanilamide is administered, it acts as a commutative inhibitor in the biosynthetic pathway of converting into folic acid. So it leads to the folic acid deficiency, which retards the growth of the bacteria and eventually kill them. In certain enzymes, the inhibitor molecule binds to a different binding site, which is commonly referred to as allosteric site. For example, you see, this is the enzyme. So this is the enzyme. The compound should be fitting into it. Allosteric site means if it is causes a change in its active site geometry, so the substrate cannot bind to the enzyme. Such a case, this inhibitor is called as allosteric inhibitors.